Okay, hi Giles, welcome back. So I want to do a do it yourself, so DIY. I want to DIY this top. I am a fan of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. However, at one point the government decided the water was going to come with a little help, and it stained my shirt, as you can see. Okay. However, the front is still pretty okay, and I saw this girl. I wish I remember who it was, and she made a shirt into like a tank top kind of vibe, and I feel like this would be so good to just have that in like a tank top way. So we're gonna do that. So let's see if I remember the instructions. If not, we're gonna just spitball it because I don't think it's gonna be that hard. Okay, we're gonna cut off the sleeves here, and we don't go all the way up to the neck, and then we don't cut off the neckline yet. And this is what we're working with right now. Just the neck and these guys. You just put a line straight down the middle of this back. Cut off this piece from the back. Cut around the neckline itself. But I'm not doing a good job, so I do apologize. But now it's neck piece, back piece, and we're gonna cut off this bottom seam also. Cut this at the back. We get something to tie at the back. Let's go put this on. So, okay, and this is it. This is how it looks. And I still got that little, come on. Yes, cute. So we just cut off the sleeves, put a line in the back. We make sure we don't touch this color for a bit. And then we cut straight to the back the way that sleeve is. Don't be like me. Don't make it a zebra. Unless you want to make it zebra. You have a little spillage at the sides. And you're basically done. Cut off the bottom, and you have your little shirty. Yeah, I think that was good DIY. If y'all pay attention. And bye.